I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
Hey guys, hey loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love received so far and the support, highly appreciated. If you're new, welcome to La Family. Can you please do like, subscribe, share, comment below, and tell your friends to come through and do the same. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know what it is. And it's another episode, baby. As you can see on the description below, it states that I'll be doing a hair installation using the Ghostbond glue. So I really hope you enjoy the video, and please note that this is the first time I use this glue. And so let's just get right. Yes guys, so I'll be showing you how to install this hair. Already, as you can see, I have the wig on. To not waste time, I have the wig on, I have a wig cap underneath, and I'm just gonna show you how to do it. And also I'm using this glue for the first time. I've never used it before. It's called the Ghostbond glue with extra moisturized control. So this is the glue. I hope you can really see it. I don't know guys, how did I do these things? I'm trying. Okay, I think it's just because it's white, but this is the glue there. I think you guys can see. Yes, so this is the glue I'll be using. So yeah, let's just get right into it. And yeah, so I hope you guys can see. I'll be also using a mirror because bear in mind this is my first time using this type of glue, and I don't want to make any mistake and all that. So yeah, okay, just hope the hair doesn't disturb me, guys. Please bear in mind with me, but I'll make sure that you see. Even though I'm looking down, I'll make sure you see what I'm doing, because I can make a mistake, guys. I don't want to mess up this and all that. So what you do also when you do this, guys, you must make sure like your wig cap is not here, because now you're gonna look weird. Make sure your wig and wig cap align. So what you do is, okay, is it, so you're just gonna glue this. Oh fuck, man, oh sorry. So what you do is just put the glue, put the glue, right? Yeah, so just put the glue, oh shit. So you're going to wait for the glue to disappear, guys. That's why it is called the ghost glue, because it needs to disappear. Already it has disappeared on this other side, but you need to wait for it to disappear. Just wait for it. So you don't apply it only once, you apply it like 3 times if you want the hair to stick and all that. So just wait for it to cool down. What am I saying? To disappear. It's very sticky, by the way. To disappear. We'll wait for it to disappear. Oh my god. Already it's disappearing. You see, it has disappeared this side. It has disappeared. It's coming right. So just wait for it to disappear. And yeah. So we're gonna wait for it to disappear. See, it's slowly disappearing. so as soon as it has disappeared, you're just gonna stick it. See there, so you're just gonna stick it. There's gonna be some parts where it's not like well stuck, but just use the glue again on those parts, and yeah, you are good to go. I just there. Okay guys, I'm gonna use a mirror. I'm gonna be close, but yeah, I'm gonna use a mirror too, because wow, the pits, guys, I don't want to make mistakes, especially if I'm gonna last with this hair for like a few days. I don't want to make a mistake, so I'm gonna stick it. Oh god, now my ear is stuck. I'm kidding, but there. Oh god, what do you even mean, darling? What do you even mean? Guys, it's really hard, and it's oh my god, wow. Now this glue is the one. Let's not even lie to each other. Oh gosh, oh god, this glue is the one. I love it. Oh. I'm just gonna wipe it because I feel like I've messed it up a bit, but yo, what are you saying? What do you even mean, love? So I'm just gonna use this. Okay, I'll use this side. So what I'm gonna do is just do this. Okay, I think it's still up. No, it's not. I will wipe it. Because you can see it's a bit messy now. But I will wipe it. I will wipe it. What do you even mean? Oh yeah, please. Oh my god. What do you even mean? What do you even mean? I want to make sure it is stuck to my flippin' there. Oh shit. Let me just fix that. Oh good, okay. Yeah, it has helped itself. This is literally what I was gonna do. So thank you. Oh my god. What lace? They say what lace? Darling, what lace? What lace? So I'm gonna use a wipe because the alcohol I tried is finished. So yeah, like guys, it's so stuck, literally, for real. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Let me just, okay, I'm also gonna do edges. I'm not good with edges, but we'll try. Micellar water. I'm using it to just clean it. I think I'm being dramatic, I don't know, but when I just check now, it's just like okay, like there's no glue here, but just to be on the safe side, I'll just do this, just to be on the safe of the side. I'm just gonna use this to remove all the shitty thing here, you know, before I can do my edges. Oh shit. Yeah, so Zini. Hey Zini. You'll just see if you feel like it's okay, then there's no need to be wiping and you know. But I feel like it's not okay. I feel like it's not rechni. Guys, this glue is so amazing. Oh my god. Guys, what do you know? What do you even mean? Oh fuck. Okay guys, like I can't believe at how amazing this glue is. I think I've been sleeping on it, like literally. So basically got to be. Okay, let me not do that because I used it. So now let me not shade it. What am I saying? Let me not shade it because now that I found a better one. Okay guys, so I'm doing my edges. I'm not good at this edges thingy. Like literally guys, I'm not good with the edges. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're lefty. You can never know. Sometimes they go, sometimes they left. So it's just what's answered. But let me try because I can't lay the lace without an edge. I honestly can't lay a lace without some edges. So I'm going to do it now. How about the edges if you can more guys do please you? Like literally, can you do proper edges? Proper edges. Yeah, learn, but like don't, it mustn't guys, no. So now what am I doing? I'm ruining the edge. Now your edge mustn't be close to your eyebrow now, like you look otherwise. What am I doing? No man, guys. Oh, so the I'm using this Perfect Touch freeze gel for the edges. It really helps. I like it. It works perfectly for me. It definitely works perfectly for me. Guys, I'm sorry. I hope you guys can see, because now I can't. I'm not good with this edges thing, and the big mirror is there, but now I can't even. I don't want to go there. I won't like the background of it. I won't like the background of it. Abona hair. Oh Jesus! Definitely my master count. Oh fuck! Now what are you doing? Definitely my master count there. Time I see. Guys, that one I didn't like get to the edges. They're heavy, man. We're trying. I'm literally like watching news, by the way. No, for real. I don't know how some people like to not really they cut. This brush is tired now, or it's dirty. Wait, there's too much glue, I guess. Some people like to cut the hair. In fact, I don't know. I've never tried that, and I think I should have it because wow, eh? Like wow, that. Like wow. I really hope it comes up, but it's there. It's getting there. Yeah, so as I was saying, some people cut their the front part of their wigs. I've never done that. I feel like maybe because I'm scared. I don't know, but like I'm very scared to do it. Is it because I don't know? I think people do it because now they lay edges every day. I don't usually lay edges every day, especially if I'm lazy, because I know this wig holds like bamba, like this wig in Bambi, it can't fall off even if I don't use a glue. Literally, like even if I don't use a glue. Oh fuck! Oh my god, this hair. I really hope that I can like swim with it. I need to try it. I don't know if it's this one. Oh fuck! I don't know if it's this one or what. But where are you? What you're disturbing me, eh? Cause like man, I don't know if it's this glue, but if it's this one, I'll tell you guys. So, like people use it when they want to swim, guys. Oh my god! What do you even fucking mean? So I mean, what was I saying? You can swim with it. It's not gonna mess up as long as you're not removing it with alcohol. Then it's gonna be intact, still intact. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh, these edges are showing me my mother. I don't want it to be too much there. These edges are showing me my mother. But yeah, there, man. Oh. guys. Okay, I'm done. Guys, okay, so I'm gonna show you where like the final product. Like the final product. Obviously. So the lady face beauty and all that so that you guys can see. I use this. So this is my other gown's belt. How do I? Last time, how did I do it? From the back. Whatever. Let me just do it from the front. There's really not much difference. Just so that they lay, guys, and they don't disturb me. Cause no kinyaka with. I wanna do my makeup. Look at the devil's work. I wanna do my makeup and all that. What do you even fucking mean? What do you even mean, my boy? Like, what do you mean, guys? What do you call this? Hotness. This glue is really amazing, I'm not gonna lie. It's proper. It's really proper. Oh god. There. So we let the edges lay. So I'll just show you. I don't know what's this. I'll just show you the end product when I'm done. And it's all stuck together. And I'm slaying my edges. I'm slaying my lace. My hair's down. And yeah. And yes, guys, oh my gosh, late, what are you saying? It's not coming off, but yeah, guys, the hair is laid. It is laid. It is laid. What do you even mean? Guys, wow, I actually love this glue. It is so amazing. Like, literally, like, wow. This glue is so amazing, guys. Trust me, you must get it. Literally, I even did eyeshadows that I literally came out of my comfort zone. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I hope you take some tips. And if you want to know where I got the glue, just check my description and I'll simply tell you.